Thank you, Preeti ji, for joining us today for this session.
Thank you so much for calling.
No problem, and we're glad that you could spend some time with us and give us your insights also. We want you to share one thing that you like the most from this session and give us 2-3 reasons why society members should not miss out on sessions like this, especially when they are dealing with redevelopment as a topic.
This is very interesting because nowadays in Pune, most of the societies are going for redevelopment because builders are approaching the old societies because they cannot afford to buy the land.
Yes.
And it's a money saving thing.
Yes.
Secondly, every society member, or maybe any one society member, not necessarily can be from a committee or this, they should come and attend this. Reason being, sometimes the committee is rigged and every person has a right to know what are the rights and duties for redevelopment.
Correct.
Sometimes it's already planned that which developer they will select, and the advantages of the personal owner is been suppressed. So attending this is really important for every person, means who is staying in the society, or not necessarily he should be a committee member or he should be a chairman, secretary, but individual person. So he'll know his rights, duties, and what he's getting from the builder, and what advantage he'll get in future.
Very true and very relevant. It is not only for the managing committee members or secretary, treasurer, or chairman. It is for every individual member. Because as you rightly said, their interest is at stake.
Yeah.
Their old apartment is going to become new apartment. For that, they need to be more alert and aware.
Right. And things are like sometimes they already have a plan builder, give a paper notice and all. They will sort out few and they will find deformities in the people who've applied, but they will take at last the selected person whom they have. And of course, everybody is in hand in glove, even the chairman, secretary, because they will get an extra size apartment or extra some facilities. So if every member, not necessary, but whoever is interested, whose society is going for redevelopment, they should attend. They will get the insights of what exactly is redevelopment.
Correct.
And what are the rules and regulations, so they will not be cheated in future.
Falling prey for the
pray for this
deal. Yeah. Very rightly said. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much
for giving us your so clear and transparent feedback. Thank you.
Yeah, because I have few friends whose societies are going, and I see that it's all rigged.
Unfortunately, if you are not alert, aware, these things can happen.
In next meeting, probably I'll get few of my this who will attend and who will have the right thing that what they have been cheated by the society, by the committee members. So they will also voice in their redevelopment what has to be done.
We'll be happy to clarify things.
Surely.
And friends, we will be doing this again in Pune shortly. My colleague Arvind will be letting you the dates.
Sure.
The next session is happening of redevelopment roundtable discussion in Mumbai on 12th December. In our Nariman Point Raheja Chamber office at 5 p.m. Please join in for that. If you find the feedback that you have got from Preeti ji valuable, and you will get more and more information in person discussion as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.